Hey there, what's up guys? I'm Maddie and you're watching AFI DIYs. Today in the lab, I'm going to teach you guys how to make an exfoliating body polish with an awesome fragrance. Right there. So hit that like and subscribe button and then we can hop right into it. So as you can see, I have my first few ingredients right here. We're going to be combining our coconut oil, our shea butter, and then our avocado butter into this right here. So I'm going to go ahead and dump it in like so. Then our next ingredient, let's see if it needs any help. Up just a little bit. Alrighty, and then our last avocado. Alrighty. Alright, now that I have these three ingredients in this beaker, I'm going to pop this in the microwave going in about 30-second intervals, making sure to stir in between each one. I'm going to keep going until all of this is nice and melted and homogenized. So I'll be back with you guys in just a few minutes. Alrighty, I am back and this is nice and melted down. But now that we had this heated up and melted, we need to let it cool down for just a little bit. I want my body polish to have a fluffy whipped texture, and in order to achieve that, it does need to solidify slightly. So to do so, you can place it in the fridge or freezer if you're on a time crunch, or, just let it sit all over time. What we don't want is for it to completely solidify, so if you are popping it in the fridge or freezer, just make sure to keep an eye on it. Alrighty, now that our mixture is all set, and before we add in our sugar, even though it is the most important ingredient of this whole entire DIY, we're going to be adding in a pop of color. For this, we'll be using some beautiful shimmery mica powder, and as you can see, I chose the color green. You can use whatever color your heart desires, but for this one, I decided to go with green. And fun fact, my favorite color is green. So I'm going to pop the lid off of this. All right, after hard work and dedication and concentration, just gonna dump this in. So excited. Oh, this is beautiful. I love green. So here I have our white sugar, so I'm just gonna dump it in and stir it nice. Okay. So just to make sure that the sugar and this liquid mixture here is nice and absorbed, I'm gonna go a little bit at a time, stir, and then add a little bit more. Alrighty, now that this is nice and mixed together, we can move on to our final steps. So first up, we're gonna add in our sea salt, and this gives the scrub an extra scrubby feel alongside the sugar. I'm just gonna dump this in, and of course, give it another stir. Alrighty, now that this is nice and mixed together, I'm gonna set this off to the side and grab our next ingredient, which is preservative. So, because this product is used in the shower where water's around, it is important that we take the precautions necessary to prevent bacterial and mold growth. Beautiful. Nice. Alrighty, now it is time for our final and of course my favorite step, which is adding in our fragrance. I want this scrub to smell as sweet as it looks, so I chose to use AFI's Green Apple. I think it looks perfect with the green, if you ask me. Now that this is nice and mixed together, all that's left for us to do is put this into our packaging containers. So here I just chose a simple screw-on, screw-off lid, and it's clear here so you can admire the beauty that we've made. Alrighty. And just like that, you are done. Nice. As you can see, this scrub is super easy to make and is a wonderful addition to any line of bath and beauty products. It only costs us about $2 to fill each of these 8-ounce jars, meaning they can be sold wholesale for $3 to $5 and retail for $6 to $10. Is there something you want to see us make next? Let us know down in the comments down below, and I'd be happy to whip up something for you guys. I'll do anything for you guys, promise. As always, I'm Maddie, and I'm so happy that you guys decided to join me in the AFI lab today. I hope to see you guys in the next one really soon. Bye.